slung at 400 yards. But I only get one shot a minute. Because this is part of the Industrial Revolution, used ones are $3, new ones are $12. This one is handmade, and it's going to cost you 1/10 of your yearly income. That would be $50 to $60.
¿Lo vende?
No, ese es hablan del tiempo.
More for farmers.
Él habla como él es
who needed it because they can. It's easily fired from horseback.
$3 costó eso.
How long does it take to load? Like if you were back then and you really needed to.
Every 15 seconds. One shot a minute.
One shot a minute.
2 shots a minute. And it depends on this.
Okay.
Maybe as many as 4 shots a minute or as little as 1. It depends what I'm shooting out of the.
So they usually had 2 people? No, they did.
No, they're going to use the musket. And if if every other person is loading for someone else, that means you have half the firepower.
Oh, okay.
Pobrecito, como